Here's how to get API access for TikTok and Instagram to add into your agentic content workflows. First, you need to go to TikTok for developers, create a sandboxed app, enter all the information it requests. You do need a website with a terms of service URL and a privacy policy URL. You need to add the login kit and the content posting API. Be sure you add your scopes, basic, video publish, and video upload, and target your personal account. This allows you to post directly to your drafts so that it's one-click upload from there. To get the Instagram API access, you're going to go to the Facebook developers website. You're also going to create an app here. For Instagram, you can do this through the Instagram API business login. Create the app, add the required permissions, generate your token, configure your webhooks, and complete app review. After you've done this, you can set up a Google Drive folder to drop your content into, and then a Cloudflare Worker with a cron trigger that'll pull that folder every time a video is dropped into it and automatically post to your social medias.